Okay, so hello everyone, and we are back, and we are back. We couldn't solve day 5 last time, and not I think, but I'll try to do it right now in today's stream. And before jumping to the code, I'll just write something like try to visualize the problem and write it down on my uh, notebook only, because I'm sure there must be some solution to that. So, okay, end of code. Uh, okay, day 5, and yeah. So what we have here is uh two map uh two mapping things. First is mm, okay, 98 plus I, which goes from 0 to 1, and is equals to 50 plus I, and then it is 50 plus I equals to 52 plus I, where I goes from 0 to uh, k minus 1. K is the range minus 1, or I should say instead of k, but okay. Then we have like now the destination, which was 50 plus I, and like which goes from 50, 51, and uh, 52 till 52 plus 40, 7. This has become the source. So till uh, from 0 till 98 plus 1 night, from 0 till 99, only 50 till 7 plus 2, uh, 9. 50 till 99 becomes the source for the next mapping, right? And what could be the formula for that though? Hmm. For the minimum, we need to see the minimum of the sources that we are given, uh, minimum of the sources that we have given, and for the maximum we have maximum of the sources, um, maximum of the sources, or what? Maximum of destination that we have given, uh, plus k minus 1 or r minus 1, range minus 1, right? From this is the range for the next destination that we have, and like mm, uh, like from minimum of the source till the maximum of the destination plus r minus 1 is the range for the next source. And if this source doesn't include some of these things like 0, here 0 is not there, so 0 is not there, so it is 0 only, right? Because it was not in the given range, 0 is 0. Like 15 was also not in this range. The previous one, it was only from 50 till 99, which was mapped to something else. So 15 was not in that range. If, so 15 is gonna be 15. That's it. So for this, the minimum is 0. So range for that is gonna be from 0 till the maximum of destination is 39. Uh, oh, okay, 39 plus 15. It is uh, like not the maximum of destinations, but maximum of destinations plus r minus 1. That's the range, right? Destination plus r minus 1. So for this, it is going to be 0 till 39 plus 15 because, yeah, 39 plus 14. I'm sorry. 39 plus 14. What's that going to be? 3 and 1 carry. 3 first one. 43. 39. 49. 49 plus 5. 49 plus 4. 53. Yeah, 0 to 53 is mapped to something something. Uh, okay, okay. But we are just taking the source, and I spelled something wrong. We are just taking the range of the source. We should be calculating the destination, uh, that is. So for minimum of SRC, what are we gonna do is we can find the minimum and then uh, take this value 39. That is gonna be our range, and 39 till something, uh, let's say 14, like 39 plus 14, it is gonna be that, and then 0, and then maximum was 53 till 53. uh, so for 53, 52, wait, it doesn't make sense though. Like, okay, so we have calculated that range, but for the, like, for this big of the numbers, and it starts from 0, like the range is 0. It is crazy. Uh, so we need something better. Mm, and what's that gonna be? Let's do something. Let me think of something before jumping right to the code. The code I did last stream was just two brute force, and like it's gonna take ages to execute. So what I'm gonna do is uh, can we do some equation stuff? Like, let's say it is source and range r in destination for each given value. uh, like we can find out the destination which is uh, like okay, for the source, like source is given 98, the destination is 50. uh, let's say 57. Then what we are gonna do? 57 minus 52 plus 98. That's what we are gonna do. That's O of 1 certainly, but not O of 1, but O of these things that we are given, which is actually quite small. 50, 52, 0, 37, 39, 49, 0, 42, 57. So from 0 till 41, it is something at, and from 42 to uh, plus 6, 48, it is something, and from 49 to something, it is something else, and yeah, just like that. From 49 to plus 7, 6, and 1, 49 plus 7, 7 plus uh, 9, 16, and 1, 56. And from it is something in 57 till 57 plus 3, which is 60. It is something, right? Okay, that's like from 0 to 60, it is continuous. So if we do like 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, I'm just making a like bar graph, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 for like this sample test case. Uh, so it is from 50 till from 50 till 99 for the first one, and then it is 0 to 60 for the second. Then the common range for those are from 50 to 60, right? Okay. Uh, okay. Then it is just the common range that we need to calculate. And for the last location map, if something is like default value, which is -1 in the map, then we can just calculate the previous thing for that. And if it's is -1, then we have to calculate, oh, it is the same thing as going from forward. It is nothing better. Like if there is some case which is using the default value from seed to soil map, then what? Then we will have to like walk through everything, right? Can we do? What can we do? What can we do? Oh my God. Uh, okay. Oh, let's see for another one. Water to light map goes from 18 to 88 -1. Okay. From 18 to 88 plus 6, which is 94. 94. From 18 till 94. Second, third. Then the common range from seed to soil is still 50 to 60. But from fertilizer to water and water to light map, it is like 18 to 60. Okay. Light to temperature map goes from 45 to 67, and then it is 68 till 13, 68, 78, 79, 80, and then 8 from 81 till so it is from 45 till 81 plus 10, it is 91 plus 8, 99. Okay, and the temperature to humidity map goes from the common range still goes from 50 to 60. There might be some case where like uh, let's say some map uh, which doesn't include in that range 50 to 60, then the whole code just breaks. How can we do that? Uh, Anyways, let me complete this graph. What is light to temperature? Okay, done. Fourth. Fifth is temperature to humidity from. Oh wait, I'm doing that all wrong. I'm just plotting the ranges. I mean destination, not the source. Okay, The range. Yeah, yeah. 50 to 99 is the range, and that range is gonna be sourced for the next one, where the source goes from 0 till maximum 52 plus 2, 50 plus 1 53, and 7 plus 5 12 or 1 3 or 1 4 or 1 5 52 and 53. Yeah, so 53 is the range, which the source is from 0 to 53. So 0, 50, 51, 52, 53. These four numbers are just uh, going there. Everything else is same as the previous thing. Like if I do 0, 0, oh no. Oh, I mean these four numbers, these four things are the same as the previous one. Yeah. No, no. I'm just talking shit. I don't even know myself what I'm talking about. What you can do is start backwards. Like check the destination, like check the source and see what are our inputs. 49, 79 it is. Then check 17 and where it lies. From 56 to 37, it lies here, right? And what is this? Like 79 minus 56, 79 minus 56 gives us the difference, and then it is 60 plus that difference. 56 is 60, 57 is 61. So if we want it 57, and 57 minus 56, and then 60 plus 1 is 61. Yeah. Then 79 minus 56, and then 60 plus that is our destination. Is that it? 79, 57, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 12, 13. And 60 plus 13, 83, 82. Not correct. The source for that was 78. Correct? It was not 79 because that is the humidity. I'm a dummy. We would do that for the soil though. Instead, other than the brute force solution, I can't think of anything. I can't think of anything other than the brute force solution. Oh, I guess we'll leave this problem then. Let's go to the day 6. This thing is just yeah. Generating that whole map, that such a generating such a big map for uh like uh, the test case, it has a lot of big numbers, and generating a map like that big is just too inefficient. The advent of code guys putting this big numbers, just they just want us to not they just do not want us to uh make a solution that is brute force. They just want us to make it a bit efficient. That's why they just put such big numbers in here. It and there might be some obvious trick to that, or I might not say trick, but a thing like a method or something. I don't know. I haven't done much DSA, so I don't know about that. So for now, it seems impossible for me. Let's just do day 6. Okay, the ferry quickly brings you across island after asking around. You discover that there is indeed normally a large pile of sand somewhere near here, but you don't see anything besides uh, lots of water and small island that where the ferry has docked. As you try to figure out what to do next, you notice a poster on a wall near the ferry dock. Boat races open to the public. Grand prizes in all expenses paid trip to desert island. That must be where the sand comes from. Best of all, the boat races are starting in a few minutes. You manage to sign up as a competitor in the boat races just in time. The organizer explains that it's not really a traditional race. Instead, you will get a fixed amount of time during which your boat has to travel as far as it can. Uh, Even if your boat goes the farthest. As part of signing up, you get a sheet of paper, your puzzle input that lists the time allowed for each test race, for each race, and also the best distance ever recorded in that race. To guarantee you win the grand prize, you need to make sure you go farther each race than the current record holder. Make the time allowed and the distance ever recorded. You need to make sure you go farther in each race than the current record holder. You need to make sure you go farther in each race than the current record holder. The organizers brings you over to the area where the boat races are held. Each boat is much smaller than you expected. They are actually toy boats, each with a big button on the top. Holding down the button changes the boat, charges the boat, and releases the button allows the boat to move. Boat moves faster if the button was held longer, but the time spent on holding the button counts against the total race time. You can only hold the button at the start of the race, and the boat don't move until the button is released. For example, time 7, distance 9. Okay, this describes three races. First race lasts 7 milliseconds. The record distance in this range is 7 millimeters. Second race lasts 15 milliseconds and the record distance in this is 40 millimeters. The third race lasts 30 milliseconds. The record distance in this race is 200 millimeters. Your toy boat has a starting speed of 0 millimeters per millisecond. For each whole millisecond you spend at the beginning of the race holding down the button, boat speed increases by 1 millimeter per second. So, because the first race lasts 7 milliseconds, you only have a few options. Do not hold the button at all. That is hold it for 0 milliseconds. At the start of the race, the boat won't move. It will have traveled 0 millimeters by the end of the race. Okay. Hold the button for 1 milliseconds at the start, then the boat will travel at a speed of 1 millimeter per millisecond for 6 milliseconds, reaching a total travel distance of 6 millimeters. Hold the button for 2 milliseconds and the boat will move at the speed of 2 millimeters per second. Then it will get 5 milliseconds to move, reaching a total distance of 10 millimeters. Okay, so it is like 2 minus distance or n minus I minus distance into right? I I minus distance 5 into 2 10. I minus distance into I. Hold the button for 3 milliseconds, 12 millimeters, 12, 5 milliseconds, 10 millimeters, 6 millimeters, 7 milliseconds, 0 millimeters, 7 minus 9, 2. No, wait. 7 minus 7 is 0. That's why. Yeah. Since the current record for this is 9 millimeter, there are actually four different ways you could win. You could hold the button for 2, 3, 4, or 5 milliseconds at the start of the race. At the second race, you could hold the button for at least 4 milliseconds, and at most 11 milliseconds, and beat the record for a total 8 different ways to win. In the third race, you could hold the button for at least 11 milliseconds and no more than 19 milliseconds and still beat the record. And a total of 9 ways you could do it. As you can see how much margin of error you have, determine the number of ways you can beat the record in each race. For this example, you multiply these values together and you get 88, 288. Determine the uh, number of ways, number of ways you could beat the record in each race. What if you get, what do you get if you multiply these numbers together? What is the input? Oh, okay. It is small. This this is this is quite easy though, right? For since it is oh no, uh yeah, yeah. Since the puzzle input also has like only four of these things, so efficiency is not gonna matter that much. So it is like for I, which goes from uh 0 to, since not 0, because like hmm, for 0 milliseconds we do not even move. Yeah, for 1 to 7, not even 7, but yeah, from 1 till less than time that we have given, 1 till less than time, what we are gonna do is count. We're gonna make a count which is gonna be 0, and for each like uh distance we travel, it is uh time minus I, which is the thing going on, time minus our time, time minus the holding time of the button, times holding time. Uh, Time minus holding times will give you the remaining time, and times the holding time is just the speed, right? So yeah, time into speed is distance, and we got the distance. And if this our distance is greater than or to equal to guarantee the win, you need to make sure you go farther in each race than the current record holder. So it should be greater, not equals to. Yeah, greater than the distance that we are given. Then yeah, then we are good to. Then we are just gonna do count plus plus, and then after that whole loop. We are just gonna answer equals to 0, answer plus equals to count. Then, but the bigger problem is how would you pass this string? How do you do splits in like this C++? I don't understand. I don't understand. There's not a built-in function for that. Erase 0 defined plus delimiter dot length. Okay. Yeah. Now I got it, and it's gonna just loop over and over again until the string is just an empty string. Yeah, and you can just push that into a vector, but doing that is a lot of trouble, and we'll just stick with the find function. Okay, line dot find. Yeah, day 5. LSP is not working, guys. Okay, yeah, it is working. It's a bit laggy. It's a bit laggy, isn't it? Oh, I am not connected to a charger. Wait a minute. Yeah, now I'm connected to a charger, and it seems a bit fine now. It must have been on a power saving mode. Yeah, it is. See, 15% right there. Okay. So line dot find. Oh, I must have printed some, like, I must have pressed some weird key. But uh, line dot find get number. I want to make a get number again. Yeah, this thing. I'm doing that in day 5. No, no, no. I need to make another file. Day 6 and okay. Uh, yes, yes. See, why isn't it showing? Is it because I did something? Then uh, okay. Now if you do line, yeah, now it is showing it. Yeah, I had that in the clipboard, by the way. Uh, now get number. We have to make a thing. Distance, time, rec, slash time, distances times add times dot push. Actually, lines. We need to push back because it's just 0 and 1, right? Lines dot push back. Uh, time string string is lines 0 dot find uh, colon dot substring lines 0 dot find uh, and +2 because of the semicolon itself and the space after that. and for int I equals to 0, I less than times str dot. What I can do is uh, dot length, yeah, and get times dot pushback, get number, lines 0, I, get number is an integer. Yeah, uh, yeah, and this tenses auto in times cout I, input. Oh, I didn't change the input. What was the input? What was the input? What was the input? Yeah, and controller. Okay, it's the same thing. T. What? Dot length. 30 T. What the hell is T? The hell is T? Uh, 30 T? What the hell is that? Len minus 2. Is that gonna work? T. Why? Why is that? Why is there a T? Really? Can't I just cannot I just do that and save it? Kabir Hasan, hi. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. I'm sorry I didn't see your message. I'm really sorry. I'm just gonna proceed to like hard code this. I actually am not able to pass this string in C++. I don't know why is that not working. See, it is saying 7:15 and T. What the hell is T? See, there's no T. 30. Yeah, there's no T. I do a T. Now it's working. Why? Not even printing. Day 5. Hell no. Who put that in there? Uh, Now it's TT. Why is there extra T there? Yeah. 3T T. Why? Is it same for everything? There was a 0. List str 0 with 1 for everything. Yeah. Time string, dist string. What? GC, yeah. If we run it now it's working fine. Why? How? See? Working fine. Uh, dist string dot length. Now it's giving me T at the very last. Get the hell out of my keyboard. There was a bug on my keyboard. Get the hell out of here. Uh, T, 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 why? Yeah, if is digit, if is digit. Oh, okay. We forgot. We forgot that we needed to do that in there only. If time string I is digit. Okay. Oh no, what's the problem now? It's testing my patience now. Yeah. Which college? Triple IT Delhi. Here I'm first year, bro. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Really appreciate your engagement. I'm reading the design code exception. Okay. Mm, what is wrong here? 7. It is just breaking at the first uh, number. Breaking at the first number itself. And is digit line x plus 1. Yeah, what's wrong in that? This argument to the map of is can push back its type constraint, but it is an int. Why? Oh, oh, okay. Uh, distance is distance is distances is okay. And where we are? Was that the reason why it is like that? Time start pushback, but it is just breaking right at this thing. Okay. While time string, I plus 1 is a digit. Num plus equals to time string I plus 1 I plus plus. This is too easy in Python. It's just like it's not working in C. Still, then what's the problem then? I cannot understand. I can't understand the problem. Yeah, and num is an empty character. Mm, Time string and I and just num, just an empty character. And when we see out num, it's nothing. Nothing. Why? Num plus equals to 7, 1, 15, 3, 30, 1, then 15, then 3, then 30, then I. The heck is I? Still, I can't understand why. Why is this working like that? I'm done with this. Just ask 7, 15, and 30. To do just this, I'm like, not, I can't even do that. 9, 14, 200. And for const auto time in time, what we need to do is make a count and make an answer. The answer int count for int I or time lab button pressed, time for which button pressed is equals to time button pressed is equals to 1 and time button pressed is less than time and time button press plus plus. What we need to do is if int uh, speed equals to time button pressed, distance equals to we need a normal for loop because we also need to access the distance thing. Uh, for int I equals to 0, I less than dot size I plus I time of I. What? Yeah. And distance is time minus times of I absolute value of minus time button pressed times speed. If distance is greater than distance is I, count plus plus, and for each of this thing, answer multiply equals to count. See out answer. 0. What? I don't really like it being on the right side. It is 0, 6, 10, 12, 12, 10, 6, which is correct. Nine, 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 nine. Yeah, it is 9. And distance is greater than. Answer multiply equals to count. That's why. Oh, okay. 288. Correct. It is correct. It is correct. 4289. I'll just manually type this in. 42, 89, 91, 89, 91, 89, 82, 89, 91, 89, 308, 1170, 308. Oh, where is my, yeah, 308, 1190, 1170, 1291, 1291, and 1467, 467. And let's see if our answer is correct or not. It is correct. First try. First try again. Nice. But this was a comparatively easy problem. Okay, as the race is about to start, you realize the piece of paper with the race time, with the race times and record distances you got earlier actually just has very bad kerning. What is kerning? Let's see. Kerning, in typography, kerning is process of adjusting spaces between characters. No kerning, kerning applied. Okay, okay. Algorithm for prime number. What? What? What about that? Algorithm from for prime numbers? There is really only one race. Ignore the spaces between the numbers and each other. Okay, so this is instead this. Now you have to figure out how many ways there are to win this single race. In this example, the races last for this millisecond, and the distance you need to beat is okay. This thing. Uh, you could hold the button from anywhere from 14 to 71516 milliseconds and beat the record. Total of how many ways can you beat the record in this one much longer race? How many ways? So we just need to make a count. And are we printing a write a C program to fix prime number? Wait, I can't read chat properly. To find prime number. Bro, you can do that on chat GPT. But why do you want me to do that? Ah, okay. Well, why not use chat GPT? Uh, and we need to replace it with 71530. 71530. I know we can hard code this, but okay. 940200. 942 940200. Okay. From 14. 71516. 71516. And count. Okay, let's test this out. Your answer is too low. If you're stuck, make sure you're using the full input data. Answer is too low. What? 71530. 71. Then what we did here was correct. 7. Is it correct? 71530 940200. Now count is 1 times button pressed is this times less than 71530 1 and plus plus speed is this times of I 71530 940200. 71503, but it is not correct. For 1 second, let's see, time button pressed. We pressed it for 1 second and we have the uh, speed of 1. Time that we have left is 71529. Then it should be 71529. Why is it 6157636889? So huge. No, something is not right. 61521. It's starting from 61521. How the hell is that possible? Starting from 1, literally. Let's do that once more. Okay, let's not panic and let's do that once more. Count to 0 for I is equals to 1, I less than, I is equals to 0, I less than, time is 171530 plus I, C out I, and declared identifier I. Int. Why is it starting from 61521? Wow. Is it because of code runner? How it cannot show more than 10,000 in 12 lines? I guess so. I guess so. Uh, where is that free open thing? Yeah. Uh, yep. I need to copy that in the clipboard. And now if I paste that in here, output.txt file would be made or not? Uh, day 6 slash do.txt. Yep. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, it's working, it's working, it's working. Okay. Uh, if 7153 ABS of 71530 minus I times I is greater than 940200, then count plus plus 71503. That's what I'm getting. I don't know if that's correct or not. 71529, okay. And 1, 3. Okay, we're about to hit uh, our answer soon. Oh, wait, no. Okay, 50,000 J and 30,000 J. Okay, yeah, we have hit our answer. And then it's just downfall from here. Yeah, right. It were 13 numbers, and it is also 30 numbers from the beginning, right? Then why is it not correct? Let's try it one more time. But first we'll read out our read it once again. Okay. Now you can figure out how now you have to figure out how many ways are there to win this single race. In this example, race lasts for this much seconds and the record distance you need to beat is this much millimeters. You could hold the button anywhere from 14 to 71516 milliseconds. A total of 71503 ways. How many ways can you beat the record in this one much longer way? How many ways can you beat the record in this one much longer race? But they have given us the answer right here only. Total of it, a total of this much ways. How many ways can you beat the record in this one much longer race? Well, part one is done, but I'll come back to the part two later. I don't understand the problem at all. I don't even understand the problem. Like, they have given us the solution right here only. Then what do they expect us to do here? What? How many ways? A total of this much ways. But yeah, it doesn't make sense. I don't know. Well, I'll come back to this tomorrow. But then, bye guys. Should Rohit, welcome to the stream. Uh, should I learn Flutter? Yeah. Should I learn Flutter? I don't know. Like, what do you think? If you want to learn it, then just learn it. Don't wait for someone to like tell you why should you learn it. Like, just see a couple of YouTube videos, like in 2023. Yeah, just do a bit of research, why like you should do it, or what are its applications in 2023. I myself doesn't know, I don't know what to do. So in that case, you can just search on YouTube. And this asking people like I should done that or not, or this. I think it's not a good habit, you know, because like if you want to learn something, something is like igniting you from inside and giving you excitement. Why wait? Why wait for someone to tell you why to do that? If your heart tells you, right? If you want to, then just go and learn it. It's not gonna go to the, it's not gonna go to waste. Well, that's my take. Yeah, thank you for all the hearts. Well, I am streaming for like 2 hours now. Are you a game developer? Well, I made a game in Pygame like 2 or 3 years ago. Uh, that's just it. Let me show you. Uh, See this thing? Yeah, I made this thing. Uh, I don't know when. Finally finished something. Yeah. In 2021, I made this in 2021. I do not develop games anymore. I don't know why, but yeah, I wanted to learn other things also. I'm just doing algorithms and stuff nowadays. Where are you from? I'm from Delhi. I cannot tell you the specifics from where. Uh, well, I really need to go now because the stream is up for like 2 hours, and I need to go to the dinner also. Yes, I am a student from Triple IT Delhi, first year. Well, okay then. I really need to go now. Okay, bye. Thank you for joining the stream though. And subscribe if you can subscribe, then it will make my day. And like the video if you can. I'll really appreciate that. Bye.